let's learn how you can get Google Gemini on your iPhone phone. It doesn't matter which iOS you are using. What matter is your country or region where you are in. So if you go to App Store, you will have to search Google Gemini. And as you can see here, I have it. But if you don't have it, it's because it didn't arrive and this app is not available in your country. To change that, you will have to go to your profile. We did already video for this. You will have to change your country and region on your settings iCloud application. Once you change and watch the tutorial about changing region, go back to App Store, write Google Gemini and just click on get. Now you'll have to wait until it finishes downloading. And after it, just open it. So thanks for watching and see